I think there's one other thing that I look for, and that is a certain level of depth, whether it's kind of a spiritual reflection depth or a depth of thought, a depth of social analysis, I think is really nice to see in a spiral. And I wonder if tying the different pieces to our learning guidelines could be really useful in identifying that depth. What do you think?
And so basically in each of these categories we've come up with a set of competencies that help us to clarify our goals and our tasks towards readiness for ministry, how we relate to ourselves, how we relate to each other, and how we relate to the broader church.
In thinking about a learning guideline, for example, one is a calm, quiet presence. So how often do we exhibit that? When do we see that in others? And it can become a way of recognizing sort of where our growing edges are.
We build our learning goals based on these. And when we're in circle, when we're in learning community, we're helping each other to work towards these competencies or these learning guidelines. Yeah, and as soon as we can make links to the learning guidelines, then that definitely opens up more possibility for depth. And when we attach it to learning guidelines, then it's easy to attach it to the sessions we've done in circle and the readings that we've had and conversations people have had with their peers and colleagues. Yeah, so I think that's a helpful idea.
I think it works well when we can integrate into a spiral what's happened, discussions with the learning circles, with reading materials, with field placement, with the mentor materials.
Yeah, and we've seen a lot of great examples of that, which is really, really nice. What actually is our DAG? What is the diagonal call again? It's education,
social justice, and pastoral spiritual care.
Yeah, okay. Those things.